Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R360 server. In this video, we're going to specifically talk about power supplies. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R360 server. Do us a favor, find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, so what we're going to do in this video is going to be one of the quickest videos in our series. We're going to go over the different types of compatible sizes or wattages of power supplies, and then we're going to show you how to install it, which is super easy because it's hot swap. So this will be a pretty quick video. So let's go ahead and hop in. All right, let's talk about the different wattages. Well, really it's pretty simple. There's only two. You're going to have a 600 and a 700. Your 600 is going to be platinum and your 700 is going to be titanium. You can't mix them. That's really probably the only key. You have to keep it to two 600s or two 700s. And that's about it. And there are two slots in the back. They are hot swap. They're redundant. So pretty simple overall. So let's show you how to install them. But before we do, I'm going to grab my ESD gear and be right back.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'm going to show you how to install your power supplies into your Dell PowerEdge R360 server. So as you can see, we have the 600 watt power supply right here, and these are the leads that are going to go and follow the bottom of the server. We have this orange clip that's going to let you know when the power supply is fully inserted, and it's going to help you actually remove the power supply as well. So all you got to do is just push it in, and you'll see that orange clip click back into place right here. And there you go. That will tell you that the power supply is successfully installed. It can't be taken out. But if you're looking to actually remove the power supply, all you have to do is click that orange clip in and pull it out. This orange clip is going to help you know when that power supply is installed and remove the power supply. And that's it. That's how you install a power supply into your Dell PowerEdge R360 server. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash the subscribe. And if you're looking for any 16th gen Dell servers or 15th gen, maybe you're looking for an HPE server or an AMD Ryzen server, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by.